everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the iPhone 5C screen. So today I have a pink, I guess it's 16 gigabytes, it doesn't matter. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to take it off. So first you need a security screwdriver, I guess that's what it's called. Let's see if I can focus. Yeah, anyways. So you take the two screws that are right there, take them out, take the two screws out on the bottom by the charging port with the security screw driver, that's what I meant, my bad. So I'm just gonna do that. This is like my third time trying, but you know, I'm gonna keep trying. Yeah, I got it that time. Bet. Come on. Yeah. Okay, so when you're done with that, see, they're out. Really? Yeah. Took them out. So what you want to do next is get a suction cup or something close to this. It'll work. So you put it close to the home button, or you know, on the home button, doesn't matter. And you just so you just like lift up. You don't want to do like or anything, just go. See, I'm scared. Oh. Okay, so mine's kind of easy to pull off because I've been doing it a lot. But yeah. Okay, so once you get the suction thing off, it was kind of hard for me to do. You'll have your screen up like this. You should have a, I guess this is a plate, I'm not really sure, but it should be right here. I'll show you. Should be right here, yeah, over them, but for some reason mine doesn't fit, so there's these clips that you have to take off. They're right here that I just showed you. You can see it still. See, there's one clip right there. Right there. And just pop it up. There's another one. Pop it up. And then there's another one right there, but I already got it off. Okay, so then you got the screen off, see? Alright. This is only the tutorial to, like, if you have one like this, a fully built one, not a taking the camera off and stuff like that. So yeah, if you have another screen, then you can just do this right here. So you clip them back. You shouldn't have to like force it or anything. Well, you kind of do, but don't do it super duper hard. Then make sure they all pop. This one's difficult. No? Okay, so now that you see I got it all, there's 4 places for screws. I can't really show you how to do that, but it would go like this. So you put it right there. You'd put it right there, and then you'd screw it, put the screws in, and do that. And then you would lay it down to where it's right, and then oh no, that's not how you do it. Make sure the front up here, they're down first, because it won't work any other way. See? Okay. And then put the screws back in, just like you took them out, and you should be done. So as soon as you're done with the screws, you can power your phone back on and it should work. See, this is my new screen. Well, it's the same one. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want. If this was helpful, let me know, and I can make another video about another phone, depending on what phone it is. Or if you want to see different videos, let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Comment it, and I'll get back to you. Peace out.